Ya bir şey arıyoruz da böyle darbuka, böyle arabesk falan çalsın. Göbek atalım ya. Abi azıcık göbek atalım ya. The city go crazy on a Friday. Tequila start. I
know.
Sitting in line getting sloppy, so I'm out. Minimum tat was 1,000. Big boy at the door started bouncing. Standing outside of my Versace. Fuck it, let's go mariachi.
So we did take the wrong ferry. So we took the wrong ferry after already getting on the ferry. Yeah, but that's okay. There's several different terminals. Several. We're calling the same thing. Yeah. We're just we got snacks.
No, it don't break even.
Hello from Istanbul Cheers Hostel. All your friends and family are invited Istanbul, Turkey.
Okay, amazing.